How to treat hormonal acne? I have PCOS but regular naman period ko. Until nung November last year, di ako dinatnan ng 1 month tapos doon na nag-start lumabas mga pimples ko sa jawline until dumami na siya now. So guys, if meron po tayong PCOS, kailangan po wag nating kalimutan na mag-regularly follow up sa ating mga board-certified na reproductive endo or mga OB. Kasi guys, alam niyo yung PCOS, it's not something that you can actually cure, no? Sometimes mawawala yung mga follicles niyo sa ultrasound, but it doesn't mean that you do not have the predisposing condition that might lead to the recurrence or the resurgence of your follicles doon sa mga ovaries. So, kailangan nagpapacheck pa rin talaga kayo sa inyong mga OB and reproductive endocrinologist. And also guys, no, yung menstruation niyo if hindi na siya regular, that means nagkakaroon din kayo ng hormonal imbalance. So I think it's time for you to go back to your OB or reproductive endo para at least makorek natin yon. So if nagkakaroon pa ng hormonal imbalance, there's a good chance that your sebaceous glands will react to it also if hyperactive yung mga sebaceous glands ninyo. If you want to really cure your acne, if you want na hindi na masyadong OA or hyperreactive yung mga oil glands natin, no, then we can do the DMD Glow program. So, syempre, kung masistress kayo, and like I said, no, yung PCOS kasi sometimes, siya, unpredictable. Sometimes, okay yung mga hormones mo. And then, pag may nakatrigger nito, magkakaroon ka na naman ng hormonal imbalance. And sometimes, yung stress, no, physical and emotional stress, can sometimes lead to an imbalance in your stress hormones. And that can also trigger your hyperactive oil glands. Sino ba naman sa mundo na walang stress, di ba? Sana all. Hindi naman natin maiiwasan yung stress. Yung mga acne-prone skin talaga ng mga individuals like me, like us, napaka-hyperactive talaga ng mga oil glands natin. So, we need something to really regulate or make it behave. Para naman if nagkaroon ng mga slight hormonal fluctuations or na-stress tayo, hindi siya agad maglalabasan yung hormonal acne pattern natin. So, if you want to do that, we can do the DMD Glow program. I would just require an online consultation. No? So, if you just have this problem, we can definitely do this online. And of course, yung ating mga hormonal imbalance, no, ibang specialist po ang magtitreat dyan. No? Yung ating mga OB at saka yung ating reproductive endocrinologists. So, what you can do habang naghihintay po sa online consultation, pwede na po kayo mag-start sa mga topicals. Okay? You can start with the Azulane soap. You can start with the Acne Regulin spray and also your Retinol 1% Defender cream. But we have to accept sometimes, guys, no, hormonal acne does not sufficiently respond to topicals alone, especially moderate to severe yan hormonal acne, especially in Filipinos. So I advise you to do a consult with your board-certified dermatologist right away. Or if you want to give me the honor to be your board-certified dermatologist, I would be happy to assist you in your acne journey. And also, pwede ka na mag-start sa mga lifestyle modification natin. So, try natin iwasan yung mga sobrang pagkain ng dairy, sugar, and fatty foods, white carbohydrates, at mga processed foods. Kailangan bawas-bawasan natin yan. And also try to do exercises. Moderate exercises lang, okay? After exercise, wash off your sweat kahit with just water lang muna before you actually do your skincare. Para lang hindi magstay yung mga sweat and mga sebum doon at makain ng ating mga bacteria at saka mga fungus at mag-party-party sila doon sa mga hair follicles natin para maiwasan yung mga acne eruptions and fungal acne also. So, alright guys, so ayan, ang dami ko nang sinabi. I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD.